Nitrogen 2 oxide. This is commonly known as nitrogen monoxide. In the laboratory, nitrogen 2 oxide is prepared by adding dilute nitric 5 acid to copper turnings. Now, this dilute acid is usually produced by taking 1 volume of concentrated nitric 5 acid and 1 volume of distilled water. This one leads to formation of dilute nitric 5 acid that is used for this experiment. The equation for the reaction is given here. Nitrogen 2 oxide that is produced is readily oxidized to form nitrogen 4 oxide, and in the apparatus, brown fumes are usually seen in the beginning of the experiment but later fade away because of the exhaustion of air in the apparatus. The oxidation reaction is given here. Physical properties of nitrogen 2 oxide. It is a colorless gas. It is slightly soluble in water and slightly denser than air. As for the chemical properties of nitrogen 2 oxide, it is neutral to litmus paper and does not burn or support combustion. However, magnesium and phosphorus continue to burn in nitrogen 2 oxide. The equations for those two reactions are given here. So magnesium will continue to burn in nitrogen 2 oxide to form magnesium oxide and nitrogen. Phosphorus will continue to burn in nitrogen 2 oxide to give off phosphorus 5 oxide and nitrogen gas. Copper undergoes a similar reaction as given in this equation to form copper 2 oxide and nitrogen gas. Another chemical property of nitrogen 2 oxide is that iron 2 sulfate solution turns dark brown when nitrogen 2 oxide is bubbled through it. Why is this so? This is due to the formation of iron 2 sulfate nitrogen 2 oxide complex. Now, do not worry about this nice term. It is just a very easy term. This reaction is going to be very important in our later parts of this topic in the test for nitrate ions. The equation for that reaction is iron 2 sulfate reacts with nitrogen 2 oxide to give us the iron 2 sulfate nitrogen 2 oxide complex, which is actually a brown compound, and hence the test for nitrates is usually called brown ring test. But we'll look at brown ring test later.